More than 170 residents are now in self-isolation in Kilmore, a small town in northeast regional Victoria, after testing when 2 positive cases in the town were detected linked back to that Chadstone shopping centre cluster in Melbourne. Locals there understandably furious. The virus was carried by a Melbourne resident who caught it through the Chadstone cluster and then travelled to Kilmore for work, breaking the rules by dining in at the Oddfellows Cafe. Now linked to that cafe, 2 positive cases, and health authorities are asking anyone who's been to Oddfellows between Wednesday and Saturday last week to get tested regardless of any symptoms they're showing. One of the rare examples of mass asymptomatic testing outside a healthcare setting in Victoria. Health authorities are desperately trying to get on top of this. The Chadstone cluster has now spread to 31 people and it's threatening to derail the progress made against the virus. Yesterday, Metro Melbourne had a 14-day rolling average in the single digits for the first time in months, though it was only just at 9.9. That number, though, while impressive, is still more than double what it needs to be in about a week and a half when Melbourne is scheduled to take its next step out of lockdown. Premier Daniel Andrews saying it's still too early to say which restrictions, if any, will be lifted on October 19.
OK, and just as you were speaking, Pat, the numbers have popped up from Victorian Health. There it is there, 11 new cases and no new deaths. That is over the last 24-hour reporting period.